Dhaba style channel dal. Ingredients: Chana dal. Add oil ½ cup in karahi. Add chopped onion to medium size. When onion fried light golden, add 1 tablespoon. Add ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. Add chopped tomato to medium size. Add salt 1 tablespoon. Add chili powder plus chili flakes 2 tablespoon. Add dhania powder 1 teaspoon. Add haldi powder 1 teaspoon. Add khuda dhania plus khuda 1 tablespoon. Chicken powder 1 tablespoon. Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Mix well spices together. Add 1 cup water and cover, cook slow flame 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, see cook chana dal masala. Add boiled chana dal to 150 grams. Mix well together, mix. Cover and cook slow 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, see chana dal cook. Add sliced green chili. Sprinkle chopped hara dhania. Some sliced ginger sprinkle. Cover and cook 5 minutes. See chana dal done. Chana dal out in handi. Ready to eat Dhaba style chana dal. Enjoy yummy chana dal. Thanks for watching my recipe.